Hey guys, this is my first video and we are going to learn too many things in my channel app and web development. So let's get started to the React Native, which is new for everyone, and everyone has a question in the mind, that is, what is React Native? Well, React Native is just a next generation of React, a simple JavaScript code library developed by the Facebook and Instagram, which was released on GitHub in 2013 around. Well, React Native app creation simply means writing apps for a specific operating system such as iOS and Android. And React Native helps developers to reuse the code across the web and on the mobile. So the code is in the very secure manner. So let's create the new project of a React Native. And first of all, we will learn how to create a new app in React and what dependencies should you install for that. So let's come to the installation. In, First of all, you should install the Node.js and let's go to the documentation for that. Let's go to the React Native. So you are gonna to go on this. Okay. So yes, for the Windows, you should install this all this dependency, which is a Node Python. Python is not necessary. Well, you should install the node. Well, everyone is depends on the node in React Native, and you should install the JDK for the Android Studio, and you should run your application, React Native application, in the Android Studio. So you should install the JDK for that, and after that. You should install the Android Studio and Android SDK in order to run the application. You have not installed all the dependency. You just install the Marshmallow. Okay, you should install the Marshmallow. So finally, after installed Android SDK, and you should create an Android virtual machine, which is a AVD, in order to run your app in an emulator for the Android. And after that, you can create your own project, React Native project, by the command line. The code is here, React Native init awesome project. Awesome project is the React Native application name, which is depend on you, obviously. So this is the documentation. Yeah, this is the documentation, and to run your application, this is the command for the Android. React Native run Android, and if you are using the iOS device, then uh, the command is React Native iOS run iOS. Okay, so you are guys good to go, and let's meet in the next video. Until then, have a nice day.